Okay, this question, some of you left it blank thinking that it has something to do with the topics that are being taken out, but I feel that this is more of a racial question. I will go through this. The figure itself, right, is quite confusing at first because there's a lot of text, but please read slowly. Okay, I have 8 identical large cubes, but the figure only shows 2. So it means that I probably will need 6 more. Alright, and some identical small cubes. You do not know anything about how many small cubes do you have. He packs all cubes tightly so there's no gaps in between. And the cubes are all of the same size. That means the large are large, same, and the small ones are the same. And the box is filled to the brim exactly. So this tells you that the capacity is actually filled up to the max. So the first layer is like this. But you do know that, okay, you have 8, there is 6 more. So you are going to split this like this, and you know that there's going to be 4 layers, 4 levels. There's going to be four levels like that, and there's going to be 2 cubes here, 2 cubes here, 2 cubes here. But the only thing that you find that is very difficult for you to understand is how do you actually find the height of this figure. Okay, you know that the ratio is 2 is to, first you need to know, if I look at this by the side, it will be 2 large. I'll put the large. The length will be 2. The large to small is 2 is to 3. Alright, so how do you stack it up? So if I want you to look vertically, not I mean visualize vertically, not look up. If you visualize it vertically, right, every 2 large there will be 3 small. So technically it means that if there is 1 here, there is 1 here, there's going to be 3 here. So I'm going to draw the line to show you already. So it means that if I have 2 here, I'm going to have 3 layers of small here. 3 layers. Because every 2 is to 3. So it also means that if I have 2 layers here, this is another one, this is another one, right? I would have 3 layers of small here. Okay, now how many small cubes does Jack have? I'm looking at the small cube section. I would have 2 by 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would have 2 times 3 times 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So my first part, I would have 36 small cubes. I will get my first answer. Second part, the volume of the box is 4032. The total volume of 8 large cubes is 3. This will be 3 units out of 7 of the volume of the box, 7U. So how do I find the length of the edge of the small cube? So if my total is 7 units, I minus the large cube 3 units, I'm left with 4 units. These 4 units represent the 36 small cubes. Okay, so let's find the total. 7 units equals to 4032. I will need to find unitary method. 1 unit, so 4032 divided by 7. Divided by 7, you will get 576. So I need to find 4 units to find the total volume of the small cubes. Times 4. I'll get 2304, but that is not all. This 2304, 2304 refers to this 36 small cubes. I'll need to find 1 small cube. So this is 36 small cubes equals to 2304. I find 1 small cube. I will divide by 36. I'll get this number 64. Okay, I will write the equation first. I would have 2304 divided by 36. I'll get 64. Now 64 is a number that you see before a lot of times, which is the one I've been nagging at you to try and memorize. 1 times 1 times 1, 2 times 2 times 2. So now what times what times what gives you 64? The answer will be 4. So my part B answer will be 4 cm, my part A answer will be 36.